Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Asha Edu Class. Today we are going to discuss the question and answers of Chapter 9 A Bicycle in Good Repair. Comprehension check. Question 1. I got up early. For me, it implies that first, he was an early riser. Second, he was a late riser. Third, he got up late that morning. Answer. Second, he was a late riser. Question 2. The bicycle goes easily enough in the morning and a little stiffly after lunch. The remark is mark your choice, S. First, humorous. Second, inaccurate. Third, sarcastic. Fourth, enjoyable. Fifth, meaningless. Answer. First, humorous. Third, sarcastic and fourth, enjoyable. Question 3. The friend shook the bicycle violently. Find 2 or 3 sentences in the text which express the author's disapproval of it. Answer. First, I said, don't do that, you'll hurt it. Second, I did not see why he should shake it. It had not done anything to him. Third, besides, if it wanted shaking, I was the proper person to shake it. I felt much as I should had he started whacking my dog. Question 4. If not, it would make a serious difference to the machine. What does it refer to? Answer. It refers to the little balls bearing of the wheel that rolled all over the path. Working with the text. Question 1. Did the front wheel really wobble? What is your opinion? Give a reason for your answer. Answer. The front wheel wobbled occasionally, but it didn't require any attention. The bicycle was in good condition and the author was pleased with it. Question 2. In what condition did the author find the bicycle when he returned from the tool shed? Answer. When the author returned from the tool shed, he saw his friend sitting on the ground with the front wheel between his legs. He was playing with it, twiddling it round between his fingers, and the remnant of the machine was lying on the gravel path beside him. Question 3. Nothing is easier than taking off the gear case. Comment on or continue this sentence in the light of what actually happens. Answer. Nothing is easier than taking off the gear case, but it is an impossible task to fix it back. The author's friend took out the gear case easily, but he was having a nightmare in putting it back to its place. Question 4. What special treatment did the chain receive? Answer. Author's friend tightened it to an extent that it didn't move at all. He then loosened it until it was twice as loose as it was before. Question 5. The friend has 2 qualities. He knows what he is doing and is absolutely sure it is good. Find the 2 phrases in the text which mean the same. Answer. Cheery confidence and inexplicable hopefulness are the 2 phrases which respectively show that the author's friend knew what he was doing and was absolutely sure that it was good. Question 6. Describe the fight between the man and the machine. Find the relevant sentences in the text and write them. Answer. The relevant sentences are given below. Then he lost his temper and tried bullying the thing. One moment the bicycle would be on the gravel path, and he on top of it. The next, the position would be reversed, he on the gravel path, the bicycle on him. Now he would be standing flushed with victory, the bicycle firmly fixed between his legs. But his triumph would be short-lived. By a sudden quick movement, it would free itself, and turning upon him, hit him sharply over the head with one of its handles. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon.